A case has been filed against Pepsi for spreading plastic pollution in America. The state of New York has filed a case against the Pepsi company for spreading plastic pollution. According to private TV channel 24 News, the lawsuit filed by the state of New York alleges that Pepsi is using single-use plastic bottles, lids, and plastic covers for its drinks and other products, which is polluting the environment. The lawsuit, filed in state court in Erie County, New York, is the first instance of a state targeting a major plastic producer. State Attorney General Letitia James has accused the Pepsi company of being responsible for a large portion of the waste found in and around the Buffalo River contains products. The Attorney General said the company failed to warn consumers about the potential negative health effects and environmental hazards of plastic in its advertising of more than 100 products. The company has also misled the public about its efforts to fight plastic pollution. It should be noted that the headquarters of the Pepsi company is located in Purchase, New York.